Look at that! It is mint! 1652. Good morning, my lovers. I'm back out on my field where I found my white whale. Woohoo! And I've come back and I'm going to grid search the entire area looking for some more. Yes, I could do with 3 or 4 more of those white whales. Oh, looks like a coin. It's out. It's out already. Right, can I see some? Ah, there she blows. Didn't expect it to jump out as quick as that. Huh. Good day to you, Mom. Oh yeah, it's another one of them portcullis 1960s. Yeah, 1960. Threepenny bit, 3p. Oh, I can feel rain going down the crack of my arse. Right, on to the next. Oh, that was coming down quite hard at one point. It's going away now. Got a big black cloud up there. Could be a coin. Ah, it is a coin. I can see it. Just there. Did I whack it? No, I don't think so. Finding all the coins here, aren't I? Victorian pennies. All seem to be Victorian pennies. What's the date on this one? 1863. I wonder what famous event was happening in 1863. Is it a pipe tamper? Got a flat end. It might be a pipe tamper. Or it might be something else. Oh, it might not be a pipe tamper at all. It might be something completely different. There it is. Now it's got these dents going down the side. In places, there's dent there, dent there. Looks like it might have had writing on it or something at some point. It was gold plated. And inside, don't think you're going to be able to see this. There is a thread on the inside. But this side goes in a little bit and then stops. So, it looks like it had something on the end there, glue or something. So I don't know. It is curious. See the little dents? Right, on to the next. Oh, I got something down here. Right there. Oh, I've had more rain. Oh, it's filling up with water again. Oh, there, I can see it. I can see it. Oh, it's going to be toasted. Oh, I can just make out a head facing to the right. So I think it's King George III. Right, on to the next. This was an iffy signal on the surface. But I reckon I got a coin ball. There's something in here. Right, let's crack it. Oh, I can see something. Oh, is it a rim-fired casing? It is. There's the dent, look. Ooh, rim-fired bullet casing. On to the next. Sweet! 1346. Oh, something's just jumped out. Something's just jumped out. Doesn't look very silver though. Oh. Right. Is it gonna have any meat on this one?
Unfortunately, the wind noise in this clip was pretty bad, so I'm doing a little bit of narration. I think it's an 1806 or 7 George III penny.
Britannia on the back. Having such a good time I forgot to turn the camera on. Oh, and I got it. Here it is. It's a little key of some description. There's some writing on the top, but it's unillegible now it's dried out, so I'm going to get it wet. So I can get it wet on this wet grass down here. That's better. You can see it a bit better now. What's that say? Pen cumin Pencumin? C-U-I-V, or is it H-V? It could be H-V or W. Oh. Oh, I can't see it again now. Oh. Anyway, I'm sure you can see it better than me. Right, on to the next. We've got a nice signal down here. Whoa, 1231. Could be gold. Oh. Huh. Where is it to? Oh, it's over there. Right. Yeah. Get off. Get off. Right. Oh, right, let's try that. Oh, still down there. Oh, let's try that. Still down there. I'll get there eventually. Let's cut round it a bit. Don't want to hit it. Oh. Oh, I can see greenness. I can see green. Oh. Right there. Oh, is that the impression though? Yeah, that was the impression. Right. And it's one of that green colour that could be interesting green colour. It's the interesting green colour. When things go that sort of luminous greeny turquoisey colour, it might mean that it's something really nice. Right. Oh, there it is. There's that green. But where's the object? Ah, there it is. It's popped out. Right, what's that? That colour. That's the colour you want to look for, that sort of turquoise colour. Right, could mean it's something really old. Ooh. Something really old, like Saxon. Oh, is that Saxon? I've seen pictures of these kinds of buckles, and that shape could mean this is a really old buckle. Right, I'm going to see if I can find the pin, because obviously the pin's missing. There's a little groove that it would have gone in. Right, that could be really old.
And here's the same buckle on the Portable Antiquities Schemes database. And it's medieval and dates from 1200 to 1500. So not as early as I thought it was in the video, but it's still pretty old.
A banging signal down this hole. It's a bit high up here though. I reckon it's possible that it could be a CCR. Oh, no, I can see it. It's not a CCR. Oh, that's unusual. I got it wrong. What is it? There it is. It's a bit of a hinge. Oh, it had some gold plate on it at one time. It's a little hinge. And it had gold plate. Oh, there's a hole there. Right, don't know what that is. Right, on to the next. Right there. Can't see anything. Oh, what's that there? Can you see something? No. Thought I could see something then. But no. Alright, let's try that. It's right in there. Oh, what's that? Shh. What's that there? Can I see an edge? I can. I can see an edge. Oh. I think it's a huge dandy button. You can see the mark on the back there, look. It's come off. Right, on to the next. Oh, it's one of those things. It's a mouse's sluice. It's a mouse sluice. It's probably some sort of farming equipment. But inside there, there's like little grooves going that way. And something to do with farming. 12:35. Oh, what's that? Is that a coin ball? It looks like a coin ball to me. Right, let's get my glasses off. Oh, what's that there? I can see it rim. Oh, can I see gold? I can see a bit of gold there. Oh, is it a watch? Is it a watch? What's left of someone's watch? That might be where that dial came from I found the other day. It's part of a pocket watch. Funny how you get bits of pocket watch, don't you, in the fields? Oh, it's falling apart. Bits of pocket watch all over the place. Right, we've got a banging signal down here. Oh, what's that down there? Doesn't look very nice. Is it a whirligig? Well, if it is, it's a bit skew. Yeah, it's a piece of lead with 2 holes in it. But it's a bit sort of off centre. You know, whirligigs are usually round, aren't they? 12:29 is a banging signal now. Oh. It's in there. Oh, it's in my hand. It's in my hand. Oh. Huh. So just drop it. I did. Oh, there it is. It is. Oh, is it? Yep, it is. It's an umbrella slide. That's what it is. With those little grooves. On to the next. Oh, the sun's getting closer to the horizon. It'll be down soon. Getting towards the end of the day. Oh. Could be deep. Could be deeper. Right. Right, let's try that. Should be pinpointed gone. Yeah. Right there. On the side wall. Oh, did I see a bit of dark soil then? I might have done. Yeah, still down there. Best be shut up. Oh, still down there. Oh, must have it by now. Yes. I've got it out. It's out. No. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's not a pesky button, is it? All that for a pesky button? Give it a quick rub on the magic trousers. Oh, shank just broke. Yeah, nothing on it. Ugh, all that for a pesky button. I got a lovely signal down here. Right there. Oh, I saw something, and it looked like a hammy. Oh, where'd it go? Is it a hammy? Oh, I saw something. Where's it gone? Oh, it's in there. It's in there. I don't know, it looks green now. It looks green. Oh, that's a bit different, actually. What's that? What's this? What is this? Oh, let's get my glasses off for this one. What is that? Let's get the mud off a bit carefully. Oh, it says Bristol. It says Bristol. Bristol. Oh, it's not a Bristol farthing, is it? Because if it is, it's in mint condition. Let's try this side. It is. It's a Bristol farthing. Look at the condition. Woohoo! Right, give it a light rub on the magic trousers. Look at that. Right, I'm going to get this cleaned up and get back to you. Look, 52. See that? That's because where it says 52, the other number's going to say 1552. God, look at that. It's mint. Mint. Wow. Right, let's get this cleaned up. Look at that. It is mint. 1652. Bristol farthing with 2 L's. Bristol with 2 L's. Couldn't spell very well, could they? I have never found one like this. Never. There you are, that Bristol with 2 L's. And the ship on it, there's a ship in the middle, and it's a little bit rubbed. But yeah, look at that. That is mint. Right, 2 fines today for the fines liaison officer. A buckle, possibly Saxon, and the best Bristol farthing I've ever found. 1652, not 1552. But look at that. That's a stunner. Right, I'm going to pack up now. And then I'm going to come back to this place in the field and go over it again later on. But the weather's going to be bad for the next few days, so I don't know when. Lovely jubbly. God, what a day, my lovers, what a day. 2 fines for the fines liaison officer. The buckle I'm not sure about. It might not be that old, but it's verging on being pretty old, that buckle. And as for the Bristol farthing with 2 L's, wow, that was one hell of a finish to the day, that was. The sun's almost down, it's getting dark, and I'm going to head off to the pub for a few jars again. Cheers!
Gently drops the rain.